U.S. Citizenship, N400 Interview. Immigration Officer, Sarah Smith. Applicant, Yang-Ling Kim. Number A28, Miss Yang-Ling Kim.
Hi, I'm here. Hi, I'm Officer Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'll conduct your naturalization interview today. Nice to meet you too. Please follow me. Okay. Please put all of your belongings beside your chair and take a seat. Okay, thank you. How long have you been waiting? It hasn't been too long, about 20 minutes. Did anyone come with you today? I came alone. How did you get here today? I drove myself. How was the traffic? Not too bad. I was lucky. Do you have any questions before we start? No, thank you. I'll have to place you under the oath. Please stand up and raise your right hand. Okay. Stand and raise right hand. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes, I do. Please sit down. Do you know why you are here today? I'm here for the naturalization interview. Why did you apply for American citizenship? I want to live with my family, and I want to vote. How are you eligible to become a United States citizen? I am 30 years old, and I have been a lawful permanent resident of the United States for 6 years. May I please have your green card, your state-issued ID, and all of your passports? Here you are. When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on May 12, 2016.
How did you become a permanent resident? I became a permanent resident through my work. What is your current legal name?
My current legal name is Yang-Ling Kim.
Can you spell your last name?
K-I-M, Kim.
Is that the same name as on your green card? Yes, it is. Have you had any other names? No, I don't have any other names. Would you like to legally change your name? No. Please tell me your Social Security number. My Social Security number is 987-654-3210. What's your date of birth?
My date of birth is June 12, 1992.
Do you have any individual disabilities that require accommodation? No. What is your phone number? My phone number is 202-123-4567. Do you have a different phone number at work? No. What is your email address?
My email is yangling135@gmail.com.
What is your current address? My current address is 86870 Green Star Way, Sacramento, California, 95831. How long have you lived at your current address? About 5 years. Did you move after applying for naturalization? No. What is your mailing address? It is the same as my living address. Who do you live with? I live with my husband. Did your parents get married before you turned 18 years old? Yes. Are either of your parents U.S. citizens? No, they are not. Where do your parents live?
They live in South Korea.
What is your height? I'm 5'5". What is your weight? I'm 128 pounds. What is your eye color? Black. What is your hair color? Black. What is your race?
I'm Asian.
How do you support yourself? I work as a cashier. What is the name of your work company? I work at Happy Shop. Can you please give me your work address? It's at 89138 Valley High Drive, Sacramento, California, 95829. Who is your current employer? His name is Tom Miller. How long have you worked there? About 5 years. Have you had any other jobs in the last 5 years? No, I've worked at the same place. Have you been attending school full-time or part-time during the last 5 years? No. Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years? Yes, I have. How many trips have you taken in the last 5 years? I've had 1 trip. How many total days were you outside of the U.S.? 30 days. Tell me about your trip. When did you leave? When did you return? I left on May 11th, 2019. I returned on June 10th, 2019. Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed? I am married. When did you get married? I got married on April 1st, 2016. Where did you get married? I got married in California. Please show me your marriage certificate. Okay, here you are. What is your spouse's name?
His name is Jinin Han.
When is your spouse's birthday? His birthday is October 20th, 1989. What is your spouse's country of origin?
South Korea.
Do you live together? Yes, we live together. Is your spouse a U.S. citizen? No, he is a lawful permanent resident. When did he become a permanent resident? On March 15th, 2016. What is your spouse's current job? He is a technician. Where does your spouse currently work? 62284 Woodside Lane, Sacramento, California, 95825. How many times have you been married? Only 1 time. Was your spouse married before? No. Do you have any children? No, I don't have any children. Now we move on to Part 12 of the N400 Form. Okay. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen? No. What does claim mean? Claim means to say something is true. Have you ever registered to vote in the United States? No, never. Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States? No. Can you explain to me what vote means? Vote means to elect. Do you now have, or did you ever have, a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country? No. Have you ever been declared legally incompetent? No. Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes? No. Could you tell me what overdue means? Overdue means to be late. Have you ever failed to file your taxes? No, I pay taxes every year. Do you belong to any groups or organizations? No. Have you ever been a member of the Communist Party? No. What is the Communist Party? The Communist Party is the government party that owns and controls everything, so people don't have any freedom. Have you ever been a member of a totalitarian party? No. Do you know what the totalitarian party is? The totalitarian party means the government has complete control over everything, and people don't have any power. Have you ever been a member of a terrorist organization? No. Could you tell me what a terrorist organization is? A terrorist organization is an organization that uses violence to control people and government. Have you ever advocated, either directly or indirectly, the overthrow of any government by force or violence? No. Have you ever persecuted, either directly or indirectly, any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion? No. What does persecute mean? It means to hurt someone because of their race, religion, or something else. Have you ever stopped someone from practicing his or her religion? No. Have you ever been a habitual drunkard? No. Have you ever been deported? No. What does deport mean? It means to be sent away from the U.S. for being there illegally. Do you support the U.S. Constitution and the form of government? Yes, I do. What is the Constitution? The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States? Yes, I do. What is an oath? It's a promise. Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States? Yes, I am. If the law requires it, are you willing to help the government during a national emergency? Yes, I am. Okay, now we move to the English test. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Please read the sentence on the tablet. Who was the first president? Correct. Now please write the sentence. George Washington was the first president. George Washington was the first president. You have passed the English reading and writing test. Now I'll ask you up to 10 questions about the U.S. history and government. Are you ready? Yes, I am. What is an amendment? It is a change to the Constitution. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. When was the Constitution written? 1787. Name 2 national U.S. holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas. Who did the United States fight in World War II? Japan, Germany, Italy. You answered 6 questions correctly, and that's enough. You've passed the civics test. Oh, that's great. So congratulations. You've passed the interview today. Thank you so much. Good luck everybody, and don't forget to subscribe.